The more you draw your attention inward, dear Leo, the easier it becomes for you to honor the decisions that are really simple and available to you in your life. You keep looking outside, trying to create decisions that are not available to you because they're not useful for you. And so the only reason you do that is because you may be looking at other people, how they live their lives and so on and so forth. And this is, as a human being, that's natural. There's nothing wrong with it. What I'm sharing here with you, however, is to support you to recognize that, yes, you're in a human body. There are going to be emotions and thoughts and so on and so forth. You are not bound by these things, though, the thoughts and emotions. Of course, that part is very difficult, but you're not bound by them all. And the other thing is that the moment you compare your life to somebody else's, you're assuming that you're both on the same path, and you're not. Your blueprint will never be the same as anybody else's blueprint, number one. Number two, nobody else will ever have your blueprint, ever. Doesn't matter who they are. Doesn't matter what they claim. It doesn't matter how much money they have. It doesn't matter about their business strategy. They do not have your blueprint. No one has access to your blueprint except for you. So if you want to recognize your blueprint and honor the true decisions, and these true decisions, by the way, are ones that come with the resources you need to continue to move forward in your life. All of this is available to you. It's inward, though.